drowning in marketing tools and still not seeing the ROI. Let's see if GoHighLevel at $97 a month can be your lifesaver. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. GoHighLevel's entry-level plan starts at $97 a month. But what do you actually get for that price? You're essentially getting an all-in-one marketing platform that replaces multiple subscriptions. Think CRM, email marketing, SMS automation, funnel builder, website hosting, and more all under one roof. This consolidation saves money and streamlines your workflow. Click around to see how these different features work. The key is in the features themselves. The funnel builder allows you to create high-converting landing pages with drag-and-drop ease. This alone can eliminate the need for costly third-party funnel builders. Then there's the automation. Set up automated email and SMS campaigns to nurture leads and engage your audience without constantly manually managing it. This frees up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. And with a robust CRM, you can manage your customer interactions, track their progress, and provide personalized support, all leading to better customer relationships and increased sales. Consider the cost of each of these tools separately. Are you paying more than $97 a month for all of them? GoHighLevel packages those separately. So, is GoHighLevel worth $97 a month? If you're currently juggling multiple marketing tools and looking for an efficient, cost-effective solution, it's definitely worth exploring. It's a powerful all-in-one platform that can streamline your marketing efforts and potentially save you money in the long run.